Thank you for being here. Today I want to do an update on the Montreal numbers. As you will see this afternoon, the numbers that are going to be indicated in the report, the provincial report, is going to be 295, but the real number for the last 24 hours for Montreal is 73 cases. We had 73 new cases in the last 24 hours. So the difference between those two numbers is 222 new cases that weren't included in our database, and that are cases since the last 4 or 5 days. What I want to say first to the population is that those cases were contacted by the screening centers. So each cases knew their result, and they knew they needed to be isolated, and their family also. And the other thing is that when we look at the data, like I announced at the beginning of the week, we are still with our data and the adjustment, we are still in the yellow level, the pre-alert level. It doesn't change the level in which we are and for this week also. How we explain this adjustment, as I said earlier this week, we have an increased number of cases. Each case has a higher number of contacts of places where they went that we are investigating. So the load of of information that we have to enter in our database is increasing really rapidly. And this weekend we had this backlog that we were able to reintroduce in our database and complete yesterday. So it is important to say to the population, when I was asking people to reduce their contact and to reduce events with a lot of person, it has a direct impact on our capacity to maintain our database up to date. And of course, we've introduced new agents in the last week that are to make sure that we're going to be able to have the data up to date every day. Thank you.